Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to remove access to unwanted website from Gmail mobile. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Gmail application. So this is my email account in Gmail. So I just want to know where the files and where I have connected with third party applications and websites. What I have to do here. So on top you will find your name as a Gmail account. Just hit the button on your mobile and just go to manage Google account. Once you click a manage Google account, your personal informations, data privacy, everything will be there. Just go to data privacy. Once you click a data privacy, just scroll down, you will have a lot of options over here. So here there will be a third party app service will be here as you see here. Yes, so just hit the button. A lot of third party application where you are logged in with your personal Gmail or official Gmail, everything. So you can identify, and whatever you don't want you can remove according to that. For example, Epic Games and incorporate I don't want means just click that button. So sign in with the Google and delete all connection that you have Epic. So this is a third party application, so I don't want mean just click here to delete. So are you confirmed with the delete option? Just click here to confirm, so that the third party applications from the mail receiving and installations or login with that, everything will be removed, so that it will be no longer with that. So similarly you can delete whatever important it is not there in your mobile. You can, so like remove background also I don't want means, so I just click here to delete all the connections so that it will be removed. So similarly the third party applications, so whatever I knew, so I can get it into that, otherwise I can remove according to my need. This is a simple and easiest way. The third party application services keep track of your connection and you can remove according to that. So sign in with Google. So there is a 13 sign in with the Google, access in the 4 and linked account 0, so that you can check it out and you can remove, so that your phone will be free as well as your mail ID will be free from the third party application without you knowing. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.